But now, let's close the doors and give it up and welcome the next quartet of the evening, representing the Ottawa chapter, Boomers.
Just a toy. Out among the stars I sailed, way beyond the moon. In my silver ship I sailed in a dream that ended too soon. Now I know exactly who I am and what I'm here for. And I will go sailing no more, no more. All the things I thought I'd been, all the brave things I've done, vanish like a snowflake with the rising of the sun. Nevermore to sail my ship where no man has gone before. Sailing no more, no more, no more. But no, it can't be true. I could fly if I wanted to, like a bird in the sky, if I believed I could fly. Why I fly? Sailing no more, I will sail no more. One, two, three. I love you, I love you, I love you for sentimental reasons. Oh, I hope you do believe me. Oh, I'll give you my heart, all my heart. I love you, I love you, I love you, and you alone were meant for me. For me, please give your love and heart to me, and say we'll never part. Say we'll never part. I think of you every morning, dream of you every night. Darling, I am never lonely whenever you're inside. You know I love you. I love you for sentimental reasons. Oh, I hope you do believe me. I've given you my heart. We're inside. Oh, I love you. Oh, I love you for sentimental reasons. I hope you do believe me. I've given you my heart. Girl, you know I'm giving you all of my heart. I'll give you my heart. See what you did to me?